Hi everyone, I am Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are going to talk about an upcoming ultra premium residential launch in North Bangalore. The name of this project is Godrej Aveline, which is located in Yelahanka near Airport Road Belt. If you're exploring luxury homes or looking at a long-term real estate investment opportunities, then this is definitely a project worth your attention. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Godrej Aveline is spread across approximately 10 acres with over 800 premium homes and a total development of around 1.5 million square feet. The structure includes 3 basements plus ground and 15 floors, offering a balanced high-rise living experience. And one of the biggest highlight is the 30,000 square feet grand clubhouse, which is designed to be a complete lifestyle hub for residents. Overall, the project is being developed with a modern architecture, spacious layout, and well-planned open spaces. Now coming to the location, so the project is strategically located in Yelahanka along the Airport Road Belt, one of the fastest growing corridor in North Bangalore. Connectivity is a major advantage here. Bagaluru Cross Metro Station is about 3 minutes away. Yelahanka Railway Station is around 10 minutes away. Kempegowda International Airport is approximately 30 minutes away, and Phoenix Mall of Asia is about 15 minutes away. With the rapid infrastructure growth in North Bangalore, this location is considered strong from a future appreciation standpoint. The layouts are designed to be spacious and family-focused with large living areas, modern kitchen, and premium finishing standards. From a lifestyle perspective, the project is designed to offer a premium living experience. The 30,000 square feet clubhouse will act as a central hub for fitness, leisure, and social activities, enhancing the overall community experience. Now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So the project offers multiple spacious configurations. The 3 BHK plus 2T homes are around 1601 square feet, starting from 2.53 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK plus 3T homes are approximately 1907 square feet, starting from 2.97 crore rupees onwards. There are also 3.5 BHK homes at around 2138 square feet and the 4.5 BHK homes at approximately 2514 square feet, starting from 3.90 crore rupees onwards. If you are looking for a premium residential investment in North Bangalore, then Godrej Aveline in Yelahanka is definitely a project worth shortlisting. For brochure, latest pricing, payment plans, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. Our NRI clients from US, UK, UAE, Europe, and Singapore can also connect with us for virtual presentation. And if you would like to explore detailed layouts or to book a site visit, all the links are available in the description below. If you enjoy watching premium residential and commercial videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.